Your mum just made us this.
Ah.
No, that's mine.
Oh.
Does it come off?
Yeah, but I've just lost the spanner.
It's not going too well, this video, is it?
Oh my god, it's spent an hour taking a bumper off. Yeah, lads. I'm actually showing you this because it's impressive. Watch me get over the gate. It's a bit hard, it's a bit of a thing around, but this is because I can't be arsed walking through and opening the gate from the side.
Shut up.
Not genuinely.
Are you being serious? You're going to get over that?
I can get over. You think I can't get over that?
I think you definitely can't get over that.
They don't call me, what do they call me?
Spider-Man. Billy Elliot! Billy Elliot! Here's Billy Elliot.
Feels
Little
better
face.
Feels better when you're doing it. We're live. Right then, lads. Recently, a lot of people not very happy because we've not been modding the EVOs. A few reasons that. One thing, I can't really aesthetics things. I'm not getting wrapped yet. Long story short, I'm going to talk about this every video. I'm going to stop talking about it. So that leaves me that I can only really do performance things. And everyone always moans if they're never doing performance things. You're ruining the EVO. And some people are probably going to moan at this ruining the EVO as well, but fuck it. Now Ben, one of my mates, Ben, he had an EVO 7, 500 horsepower, and he said, oh, I'm breaking it, so I can't be asked selling it, can't be asked for it anymore. So I said, what have you got, lad? And he goes, I've got a screamer pipe. And I thought, well, you can't really use a screamer pipe with a... I always thought you couldn't use a screamer pipe with a standard turbo, but I was wrong apparently. The EVOs, you can. So of course I bought the screamer pipe off him. Now if people don't know what a screamer pipe does, it says in the name, doesn't it really? She'll be screaming, boys, right? Now this is probably one of the most exciting things I've ever done in a car, like, because screamer pipe, it's a fucking screamer pipe, right? But basically I always thought you needed like a bigger external wastegate from a screamer pipe, so I thought, down the line we'll get it. But no, with the EVOs you can actually put a screamer pipe on an internal wastegate, can't believe it, absolute mad fucker. This, in like the car world, is like holding liquid gold. Like this is just so pretty. Like, does it look pretty?
It don't look pretty because you're gonna put me in it.
It don't look pretty, but trust me, that this is like, I just want to kiss it, but look at that.
Go on then, slick it off. No, stop it, Lee. I'm turned off, stop it. Oh, there's the pipe.
Does it? Right. Now the annoying thing is, I'm so excited to put it on. It actually looks quite easy to put on. Right, oh fuck. Famous last words. But I think it's actually doable. I think we could probably get it done in about half an hour. Funnily enough, last time I said that, let me tell you that insight. I said that'd take me 20 minutes. It took me all day. And we're just going to see how it goes, but I've got to take this fucking bumper off. It's not too bad because like, there was 16 clips on this bumper on underneath, then there was 4 on top, and then there was 3 bolts on either side. Oh, and then there was 2 bolts there. Yeah, it was an absolute joke, but I scrapped off most of them bolts. We didn't need them, so I don't use them anymore. So there's probably just about, I think there's just gravity holding that bumper on now, so it should be all right. We got to take off, because I've got a standard turbo and stuff, I've got to take off this heat shield, that heat shield, and then I think it's not that bad. But let's just crack on, because I'm getting excited now. I'm going to start weighing myself in a minute. 12 mil. Fucking hell. Ugh. Where's WD-40 when you need him? Where are you, lad? I've got some GT86. GT86? No, that's the car, isn't it?
I'll take them off you. Shall I put them down there?
Yeah, I'll stick them there.
Thank you.
That one's not.
Thank you. Your mum just made us this.
Ah.
No, that's mine.
Oh. Right, now.
How's it feel to be filming your first YouTube video?
These people watching us, turn it off, put the camera down, these people are looking at us. And Chris Fix always says, like, make sure you label your bolts and you put them out in order so it's dead easy to put it back on, but can't master that. Chuck them up floored and just hope for the best later. That's the best way about it. It's a bit hot. There we go. Oh, look at that standard ugly manifold. Ooh, right, 2 minutes in. Actually, sorry, 3 bolts in, and we've already got our first problem. I need to get off this heat shield, right? This one here, babe, come show it.
I don't know what heat shield is.
This thing. This bolt came off nice and easy. This one here, down there, he's not coming off so easy. And I need to get it off to get to the bloody bolts. This is the thing with cars like this. It's like a domino effect. One bolt could just ruin your whole day. And it's not even an important bolt. It's not on a heat shield. We don't even need a heat shield. And it's ruining my day.
We've got an emergency. We need to go to hospital.
Every time you work on a car, it cuts me. No matter what I'm doing, I'll be changing a fucking wiper and it'll cut me. Where's my fucking doctorate?
Does it come off?
Yeah, but I've just lost the spanner. Right, I need to take the bumper off because I won't be dealing with this.
It's not going too well, this video, is it?
You what, lad? Yeah, put pizza in, why not? This is why everyone says, oh, the channel was better back in the McGann days. Yeah, it might have been better for you, but it weren't better for me, trust me. Because I've got to deal with this shit. Now I can't find the spanner.
Imagine if it started raining though.
Don't, because it will. I actually can't even believe this, man. Right, this is just a joke. Every time I work on this car, I always lose shit. Right, I think the bumper's going to have to come off. I might have another 12mm spanner somewhere anyway. Buy an EVO, they said. Unless you've got 16 toolboxes, don't buy an EVO. I'd say 5% into the job. 5% into it, I reckon 10 maybe. And I'm already one of the wall.
You are. How much do you love YouTube life?
Fucking hate it.
Do you really love it?
Fucking hate it.
You love it?
I just thought, well, it's not like I hate YouTube life, I just hate EVO life, I really do. I love the EVO, but working on it's a pain in the arse. I'll say it now. I'll say it now. It makes me as stressed out as the McGann did. Oh, look at this. I perhaps got to be a fucking surgeon just to get a bumper off. You know what I mean? Look at shit. It's just a load of bollocks. It's just an absolute load of bollocks. I feel like I'm doing open heart surgery or something. I'm trying to get a fucking plastic bumper off a car. Why is it so difficult? Just need a just a big enough, just a tiny gap, please. Oh, there we go. We got it. It's like nursing out a foot. Come on. You're coming off today. See, like, do you see what I mean? Why is there not bolts there? Plastic clips. I feel like not putting this back on. But it's a lot of money, so I'm going to be aggressive, but at the same time, really I want to chuck on the fucking road. Oh my god, I spent an hour taking a bumper off. I'm not actually happy. Mayor's a mess. I'm hungry. The pizza's ready now as well. Bring it out here, cut it and bring it out, what do you want? No, yeah, I'm working, bring it out.
Good thing is though, look at that bum.
It's too small. Right, I've got the car jacked up and I want to see what I can get from underneath. That heat shield bolt is not coming off and I'm going to really struggle getting that little heat shield bolt off, and it's not even necessary. That's the annoying thing, like it's not even necessary. Like it's just a fucking heat shield and I don't know why it's so tight. But I can't get an extender bar in there or anything. It's a pain in the ass. I'm going to try and go from underneath with an extension, try and get that off, but I'm just going to see what I can get to underneath. The bumper situation is a joke, it needs to change. It's an absolute joke. To get that bumper off, it's a joke. I've never had a car so difficult in my life to get a bumper off. Right, here's where I am, guys. I'm giving up for today. I'm giving up to today, I'm leaving it for another day. It's going to start getting dark in an hour, and it's just impossible. It's just fucking impossible. Well, it's not impossible. It'd be easy if there weren't stupid bolts in stupid places. Like, the only reason I can't even do it is I can't get this heat shield off. Because I can't get this heat shield off, I can't get the elbow. Can't get the elbow off, I can't get the downpipe off. I can't get the downpipe, I can't put the screamer on. And all that's stopping me from doing it is this tiny little 14mm bolt holding the heat shield on next to the turbo. That's the only thing that's stopping me doing the whole day. And I can't get it off because it's between the transfer case, so you can't get a socket on there. The only thing I need is a really long 12mm spanner, which I don't have. And it's only because that one bolt is round. It's basically just welded itself. It's never been off basically, so it's never going to come off. I'm gonna have to snap off, and I can't snap it off. I can't even break it. I'd happily break it to get it off, but I can't because I can't get anything down there. You can't even get a spanner down there. I've been underneath the car and I've taken off the downpipe bolts. That's not a huge deal. It's a bit annoying, but I've taken off the downpipe bolts, which I can't see in the camera, but they're up there somewhere. Up, yeah, all the way up there. They've come loose, so that's good. Now all I would have to do is just drop the downpipe and then just pull out the elbow underneath, but I can't because the heat shield attached to it, and I can't get that one bolt off, so I've not got a long enough 12mm spanner. I'm not putting all the car back together to go and get one spanner. It's not happening. So this is going to be a fail video.
Oh, babe.
I know, how annoying is that? Right, I literally, and I've not even tried, like I've been at that bolt for way over an hour now. There's no way I can break it, there's no way I can snap it off, there's just no way. The only thing I can do is get a really long 12mm spanner, but yeah, I can put all the car back together and go and get a 12mm spanner and then come back. But I'm just going to run into another problem, and then if I do run into another problem, it'll be dark, and it's starting to rain. I'm just going to message Dan, ask him for the, just keep and check, make sure the camera's not live. Message Dan, see if I can use his ramp and just do it. Dan's in a whole new video. This was a complete waste of time. I really need to find a different way to hold that bumper on, because the way that it's a joke, it's massively a joke. But yeah, trying to be happy, but this is really difficult. This is mine trying to be a happy face when I'm really pissed off. Really upset, but you know, you win some, you lose some, but only winners take the risks. Yeah, so I just messaged Dan, and Dan was saying that the best thing to do is literally just to snap them off. He says, get a big chisel and a hammer and literally just chisel the bolt off. And maybe I have been looking, I've not got a long enough chisel. I've only got one there, but it's nowhere near long enough. I'm gonna need a massive one. And it's starting to piss down now, so I'm getting the video here, guys. I'm so upset, I'm so annoyed, but you know, you win some, you lose some, as I said before. But I love you all. Thanks for watching. I will get this screamer on sooner or later. I need to get that fucking heat shield off. There's no need to be there. And Dan was also saying take the radiator off, but that's just so much hassle. But yeah, I love you all. Thanks for watching. Unfortunately, it's a bit of a bad watch, but see you next time.